Now we start exercise 7.4. Question number 6. The vertices of triangle ABC are A 4 6, B 1 5, C 7 2. A line drawn to intersect the side AB and AC at point D and E respectively, such that AD upon AB equal to AE upon AC equal to 1 upon 4. Calculate the area of triangle ADE and compare with area of triangle ABC. Now we start the solution. In triangle ABC, the let A 4 6, B 1 5, C 7 2 are vertices of triangle ABC. A 4 6, B 1 5, C 7 2 equal to x1 y1 equal to x2 y2 equal to x3 y3, right? Now area of ABC equal to 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 1 upon 2 x1 4 5 minus 2 plus 1 2 minus 6 plus 7 6 minus 5 equal to 1 upon 2 4 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1 1 upon 2 4 3 are 12 minus 4 7 1 upon 2 19 minus 4 equal to 15 upon 2. Area of triangle ABC equal to this answer. Now given that a line intersect AB and AC in D and E such that AD upon AB equal to AE upon AC. Now according to theorem, theorem 6.6, area of ABC, area of ADE upon area of ABC equal to AD square upon AB square, because triangle ADE similar triangle ABC by SAS theorem. ये नहीं लिखो तो चल सकता है. Now area of ADE we have to find. Area of ADE upon 15 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 4 whole square. Area of ADE equal to 1 upon 16 into 15 upon 2 equal to 15 upon 32. Therefore, area of triangle ADE equal to 15 upon 32 we have to find ratio ADE upon ABC, ADE upon ABC equal to ADE 15 upon 32 upon 15 upon 2 equal to 15 upon 32 into 2 upon 15, 15 cancel, 16 jar. Therefore, ADE upon ABC equal to 1 upon 16. This is ratio answer. Thank you.